Okay, so we're playing Animal Company now. Yay! Anyways, let's let it load. Oop. Yes, I'm a monkey. What the heck?
How much money do you have?
I'm coming to haunted house.
I'm rich. I'm rich.
Where are you?
I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich.
Red light green.
I'm rich. I'm rich. Give me this. Give me that. Give me that too.
Hey, I did. Black, punch me.
Huh?
Black, bro, punch me. Punch me. Punch me. Punch me.
What the heck? Okay. That's pretty cool. Okay. I got a flashlight and a grenade. Oh my god. What are you?
I just found this crap! So free!
What? What the heck? That made me skip a heartbeat. What was that though?
Oh, imagine!
Hey, come up here. Look up here.
How did you die?
I got a grenade. I got a grenade. What should I do with it?
You better not kill me.
No, please. Ah! Bro.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! He's chasing after me!
Run, bro, run. Wait, was
He's gonna kill you. He's gonna kill you.
was the
Rock out! What? He's gonna kill you. You dumb.
what the? Oh no.
You're actually so fucking.
Guys, come on. You.
literally
I'm new to this game.
He's coming
I'm new.
for
Can
me.
you kill me?
Stupid!
I'm not.
Yeah, I don't think you're new.
Bro,
Get this one. It's way more better. Yeah, I'm re-putting him
so
for that.
dumb.
I'm re-putting him for that.
Pink, do you don't mind? I found this on the ground.
Did you know?
Oh, let's see what I got.
Yeah, that's his. You know that green guy? He found it. He killed him. That faggot.
Wanna say this?
Right there. That blue guy. That faggot.
You look sick, dude. Holy crap! Look at him. Look at this guy.
Yo,
He's
bro,
drippy.
the rock star. Rock
That is
Lucy,
pretty
bro.
drippy.
Rock
Bro.
Lucy.
Pretty drippy.
Bro, did he have a Lucy Cat? Oh, yeah. I have every single animal. Wait, can I borrow one of those for a sec?
Wait, dude. Take those glasses and use the plug eyes. And the cat's tail.
Clothing.
It would honestly be freaking funny. It would be funny.
No, my game, bro. I can't use these shit. I disconnected and I reconnected.
Yo, Chad.
What the? Hey, slide no more. Where do you?
What happened?
Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that?
They don't work.
Yo, my goodness, content creator!
What?
Oh,
Yo!
That's
Ooh, I want one. I want it. Yo! Content creator. That's pretty cool. I hit my head. Yo.
Look at that hat.
Amazing. It's a content creator hat. It's a content creator hat. It's pretty Sigma.
I
Take a
I'll
picture of the
take a
monster.
Who wants three? I mean,
Oh,
who
I'm
wants
recording
one?
this video. Let's go. I'm gonna
Bro, I was shaking Kate.
That took a lot of work.
I have a picture.
That's pretty
of a content creator.
Guys, I'm gonna leave anglerfish to spawn. Don't kill it. Just take pictures of it and sell the
Yeah,
cameras.
yeah.
What?
It's infinite money glitch.
Yeah, take it. I just saw something.
Frogman run. And I started out with $5 grand. Then I had $12 grand.
Bro, come on, let's go. We gotta go survive. Good luck, bro.
Oh, fuck, run.
Is anybody at haunted?
Oops.
Come to haunted house if you're not gay.
What the heck? The anglerfish. I saw the
Guys, it's
anglerfish.
anglerfish. Buy cameras.
Oh my god, anglerfish.
Guys, buy cameras. Yo.
That's our.
Don't kill him, guys. Buy cameras and take pictures of him. It's infinite money, but guys. Put the cameras in.
Yo, give me
We got 2 other pictures of him.
Wait, yo, dude, I need camera. Can I, do you have an extra camera?
What the hell? Not me, not me, not me, not me.
What are they doing?
Come on.
Don't sell them yet. Don't sell them yet. Don't sell them yet. Don't sell them yet. Now the picture of the monster sheep. Just buy 2 cameras at once and take pictures.
No.
Hell yeah.
Who
He
killed
won't, he
him?
won't keep on like he's annoying me. I'm sorry. Here, set up flashlights.
Bro, someone killed
Who
him.
killed him?
The guy with the cross. He touched something.
Alright guys, I'm leading him back again. Yo, Vlog, what's your channel?
What's going with you? Where's the haunted house?
Hey, how do you power this up?
I'm leaving.
Hey, yo, green.
Everybody,
How do you power this up?
everybody say cheese!
Yo, how do you guys power this up?
Cheese!
How do you power it up?
Man! Cheese,
Yeah,
bro!
guys,
All
so-
the backpacks!
Do you know how to power this up?
Yo, can I get, I'll trade you, yeah,
Oh
I'll
my
trade you
God.
this for that. I'll trade you this, yeah, I'll trade you this for that.
Alright, put it in here.
Hold on. Everybody say Kung Fu Fighting!
Yo, guys,
I'm gonna take
can
a
I tell
photo
you
of
something?
you!
Everyone, I haven't announced it. I need to tell everyone something. I need to tell everyone something. When you log into Gorilla Tag, when you log into Animal Company, if you look behind you, you're gonna see the creepy lady in the creepy mansion.
How do you power this
Ooh
on?
la la.
Help
Yo, how do you
me.
power this on? How do you power
You
this
just
on?
gotta do this. Press your trigger!
Okay.
Yo, who wants to trade? I'm trying to get one of those. Bro, I'm taking photos of kids. Because I'm a minor. Because I'm a minor. Because I'm a minor. I'm just doing this. Because I'm a minor.
I only have $14. I can't afford anything.
Where do you get this?
I can't even buy anything. I only
Wait,
have
where do you
$14.
get this? Where do you get this?
Yeah, where do you get this? What do you get there?
I need to buy it. I need to buy it.
Guys, we need to go to a
Hey,
haunted
can I borrow that
house.
crossbow real quick? Hey, Blue, can I borrow that crossbow real
Hey,
quick?
you want this? I can't turn it on. You want this?
Yeah, I want that. Yeah.
For sure. Fish! Oh my gosh. I just took a photo, dude. Now is my camera ruined? Bro, why do people keep telling me?
Yo, guys, we should go to private lobby.
Yo, concept creator.
Ah!
Let's go to the private
Let's just close the door.
Let's go to the haunted house.
haven't checked it in a while.
And to the private
Penis. It's a lot, man.
What the?
Private.
Why do you say private penis?
Because it is like that.
My penis.
Oh, we need the monster again. I have a camera.
I can use the private. It's too big.
Alright, when you see the anglerfish, start running.
Anybody at haunted house? Yes.
Basically, we were, but basically, some guy,
I see it,
well, not
I
some
see
guy,
it,
but
I see
basically,
it, I see
the
that,
guy
I
I'm
see
playing
that.
with right now, literally,
I'm gonna take a picture.
Does anybody want to go to haunted house?
No, guys, just bring the anglerfish back to spawn. We're inviting.
No, bro.
Have you guys ever played Gorilla Tag before? It's like a pretty cool
had the
game.
key.
Boom, boom.
Bro, I'm telling you, play Gorilla Tag.
Nobody.
Mommy, bro's cooked. No.
Guys, the angler puppy. He's down there.
But where?
Bro, anglerfish. Angler puppy. He's down there. No one's getting him though. Can someone give me a flashlight so I can bring him up? Give me your flashlight, bro. I'll bring him up. If it's been real. Don't take pictures of me! Bro, you took a picture of me. I got none of this.
Wait, Blue, how do you get that? Blue, where do you get that? Blue, where do you get that?
You have to.
Where are you guys in haunted house?
Yo, someone's flashlight. Okay, let's go.
We'll go to the
I might
haunted
have just
mansion.
experienced
Everyone go to the haunted mansion.
keys.
Alright, someone has to act.
Everyone buy a
Someone
rocket
has
and
to
a
get the
flashlight, and once
anglerfish.
you get the anglerfish, just rock it away and start running.
Hey, did you free flash? Free. Hey, look down there. Look down there.
Guys, I'm bringing anglerfish to spawn.
I don't know how to turn my flashlight on.
Gonna go boom.
How do I turn my flashlight
You
on?
gotta click Y or B.
Oh, nice.
Guys,
Oh, dude, I have this thing.
crap, guys,
Come back in here, come back in here, come back in here.
All right, I'm going.
I got this.
I don't want to let go.
Guys. What is happening?
Yeah, what's happening, bro?
Oh my god, I actually hit you.
I'm buying more guns.
Let's make a boom
Hey,
boom.
Blue, wait. Blue, where do you get that?
Yo, white. Yo, blue, white. Yo, silent. This is yours. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's going over there.
I got some cameras. So. I see that was prison anything. Right, I can just 4.
I don't know.
Alright, let's go.
But I'm going back to buy a new flashlight. Hey, is my flashlight?
I'm gonna get a red flashlight too.
How do I
Oh,
use a crossbow?
the red flashlights are really good.
Use another.
How do I use this?
What the heck? Okay. We're here, but let's just go. Go.
Also,
Wait up!
there's one down there.
Someone killed me.
Yeah, someone killed me.
Hey, wait, Blue, where do you get that? Blue, where do you get that? Where do you get that?
What, this?
Yeah.
Guys?
Oh, yeah, I gave you that one.
Oh, no, you
Guys?
gotta run.
I heard the woman.
It's 245 bomber
Don't get the woman if you hear her.
I never got jump
I
scared in the woman.
saw her.
Where's the woman?
We're down there.
You saw... Wait, the woman can come out of the haunted mansion? Where?
Oh, we go.
What the heck? How did I just die?
I said, oh, perfect. At this point, just grab a dang flashlight, bro. Bro, what you do that?
Bro, everyone died. I hear her.
It's literally mine.
Oh, Lex got her grenade.
I heard her. We're supposed to be going to haunted mansion.
Keep
I'm
behind
gonna
us,
warn
keep
all
behind
of
us,
you
behind
guys right now. Stay away from being in a big crowd. You're dead. I said stay away from being in a big crowd. One tip to not die. Be in a big crowd, alright? If you're not in a big crowd.
What the heck?
They're bored. They're bored.
Number 3, the controller died.
Oh my god. This game.
Rose is going.
Do this
Stop flipping, killing us, bruh.
My-
Like at this point, just don't go anymore.
What's up, fellers? How you doing, man?
Good job. Where's my flashlight?
Okay.
Oh.
Bro, what happened here? What happened? Guys, don't
They
move.
keep killing us.
Whole murder spree, bro.
Yeah, they all keep killing us, bro. Yeah, I told you guys stay away from being in big crowds and I won't kill y'all so much. Separate, you're all dead in one shot. Like you see right here. This is what I'm talking about. Yellow and black. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is an example. We're in a big crowd. Boom. We're in a crowd. That's why we're dead. We'll stay as separated as possible, chat. And also I'm gonna grab money source.
Angler.
Wow.
Ooh, stop. Run.
Yo.
Run.
I'm definitely with some monsters.
Run.
I died and lost my gun.
Run!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
JK! What does the camera do?
He's right there.
Yeah, I don't want to go back. Hey, who's this guy?
Hey, someone needs to shine a light at him.
He's right there.
Oh, snap. I thought he was going to be French.
Wait, nice.
Hey, come here, boy.
Oh. I got no more. Don't kill him if they're not in big groups.
Wait, he's going back up.
You see right here?
He's coming back
I
up.
catching them off
He's
guard, bro.
coming
They're
from over
in
there.
big groups too much.
That one doesn't have anything, bruh.
I'm watching.
He's over there. He's right next to you. He's right there.
Oh my goodness, they got all killed.
Bro.
Oh my goodness, what happened to them? They all died. Bro, I'm about to have the most reasonable crash out ever.
Stop.
Ooh, a crowbar. What time to... I think that is activated.
Take it.
It looks activated.
Okay.
Yeah, this one was activated.
Backpack.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! The creepy lady! The creepy lady! Guys, we need to go to the haunted mansion! We need to go to the haunted mansion!
Oh,
Ah, creepy lady! Ugly lady! Badass! Get your... What the fuck?
bullet. He got blown up.
Give it back, man.
Fuck off. Stop
Yo,
killing
got the
people.
picture.
I
I got the picture. I got the picture of that thing.
Bro, please.
Yo, no, give me back my camera.
Gorillas, don't you?
Yo, I got the picture of that thing.
But we need to go back.
I'm selling this ugly lady.
Let's go back, y'all. We need to get more pictures.
Wait, we gotta sell our stuff though. We gotta sell what we got.
Alright, but
We gotta sell. Get dead to the company.
I got it.
We gotta sell stuff to the company. The company ain't paying us.
Yo,
What
What the hell? What the hell? We're tourists, guys. We're tourists.
There's a good
Yes, I
one
did.
in here.
Hey guys, you want to
alright, they sold everything. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that's a lot of money. That's some juicy amount of money.
Bro, I got that.
Bro, wait. Stop. Stop, please. Who wants to go get the ray gun? I don't know why you're using this.
The
Who
what?
wants to go get the ray gun?
Not you, it's that guy.
This?
I killed a guy. Who said he
Yeah,
was shooting you.
I know how to get it.
I killed you.
Why just die?
Bro, wait.
Wait,
Hey, dude.
where do you get the ray gun? Where do you get the ray gun?
Hey, dude.
Boogly boogly.
Hey, dude. What the Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Dude. Hey,
Are you
dude.
going to the haunted house? Are you going?
Dude.
I'm gonna go to the haunted house.
Hey, look.
Stop doing that.
I'm gonna go kill this ass right now.
Yo, it's the most swimming time.
Y'all got some L pictures.
Yeah, wait. It's my backpack.
Oh, come on.
Who got the key?
What's good, big boy? Blue got shit on.
Don't kill. Please don't kill me.
How much money you got?
Wait.
What kind of camera stuck to this?
Where do you get that?
I missed it.
Oh, where do you get that? I need to get that ray gun.
I
Where
need
do
a
you
much
get that?
better shot.
Oh, you gotta go to the haunted house.
Can you show me where the haunted house is?
Oh yeah, let me just.
I'm in a random room I found.
By the way,
Let's go.
Bro, where are you?
let me get a backpack.
Yeah, let's go to the haunted. I was stop taking pictures.
I don't know where. I don't know where. I'm in a room. Basically, I do parkour to get up
On
in.
my block, it gets spooked. Yeah, block me won't stop you from dying.
Everybody,
I have a photo. I'm gonna do.
Call me a wild, cause you don't even have one.
Stop taking pictures of my bitch. Wait, can I take a picture of someone's ass? It's really scary. Okay, stand still, White. Wait, White, stand still. No, right. Bro, this one doesn't have any cameras left. It doesn't work. Oh, shoot!
It has to be it. Oh, yeah.
You want to see something? Yo, can you turn around? Can you turn around? Can you turn around? Can you turn around? No, don't take a picture.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Fine. Okay, you done?
Oh, yeah, let's go. Let's go to the haunted house. Let's go to the haunted house.
I'm calling. He started.
See what you guys inside. Oh, nothing.
You motherfucker! We gotta focus on our main mission.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Ooh, what's this? bitch.
We gotta go to the haunted mansion. Let's go.
Fuck you! Like, get off! Okay. Let's get the code. That's
I need
fine.
help.
No, fucking get off!
Because I'm alone.
Bro, someone's booty cheeks is on here. Yeah, I'm gonna check
Can
it.
somebody go to the haunted house?
Oh, I'm sorry. I know we wouldn't like to talk about it.
Alright, nice. I got
Bro,
a bunch.
where are you? Bro?
In the haunted house.
We're inside.
Oh, where's the haunted house? I need to go to the haunted house.
Bro, where are you? Luke!
Where are y'all? We need to go to the haunted house. Hey, Blue, come on. Blue, let's go to the haunted house. Blue, haunted house.
Hold on, I see a flare gun.
Oh, yeah, flare gun had nothing.
We're right next to the, fire.
There's nothing
Yeah,
in
we
there.
next to the fireplace.
So, watch out.
Hey, wanna see what's in my bag?
Hey, bro, it's died.
Yeah, I just run as fast as I can. I just took a photo of the anglerfish.
But where's the camera?
And I dropped the camera and run away.
Here's
Anyway.
the camera.
Bro. Thanks. Why is there booty pics?
I hear something.
Bro.
I hear something. I hear something.
Hey.
I hear something.
Bro,
Yeah,
it's okay, bro. Just go. Just go. I will bring you stuff if you die.
Time to go back. I'm going to buy another flashlight.
You're so money.
Bro. Who killed me?
Ooh.
Bro! Bro!
Bro, don't take my stuff.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. That's my stuff. That's my stuff.
Where's Black?
That's
Black.
mine.
Yeah, I know.
W, bro. W.
I hate this fucking game.
Here,
This
you can
game's
have
so
here.
Where's mine?
I know it is.
So watch out with people that might kill you.
Bro, is it chicken?
No, I didn't. Alive.
Yes, he left. What am I hearing?
Okay, let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the haunted mansion.
Oh
I know where it is, but y'all
my
gotta
god, the
help me.
haunted house.
Haunted house.
Let's go, bro.
I thought that was an anglerfish. What is that? The anglerfish!
No, bro, that's a gun.
There's an anglerfish!
Nah, bro, that
Anglerfish.
is so.
That's my umbrella. I died and I just can't try to come back.
Guys, come to the haunted house.
Come on, umbrella back.
Wait, yeah. Ah, fuck, bro.
He's coming for us. He's coming. He's coming.
Oops.
Oh, where'd it go?
It's the anglerfish! It's the anglerfish! I'm dipping. I'm sorry that I left him, but I dipped. Where's the...
Okay, hurry up. We need to go to the haunted house right now.
No, anglerfish. I saw anglerfish. There it is. Okay. There, that. Where's my camera? Oh, I gave it to someone else. Okay, let's go.
This thing's epic.
I need something.
Okay, no, there's nothing in here.
Anyone here?
Wait, bro, can I see that gun? Can I see it?
Guys, can someone
I hate that guy. I lost my crowbar. And there's people here.
The web light me and my mom.
Everybody mute! Green, cause he's a 5-year-old and also he's ugly as shit.
Now that's crazy. Hey, bro, launch me, launch me. Launch me to
I
that
bet.
wall.
And we need something to play with.
Oh, stop, it's the anglerfish.
Black.
The fuck is...
Oh, you're so
Bro, there's your crossbow is in there. Your crossbow is in there.
Oh, this is the shit up. You...
On earth, or you say that you are so racist. You're so sick.
Anyways, I keep on dying from some random people. I don't know, I keep on dying from explosions. What are those explosions?
Shut up.
Place my crossbow. Place my crossbow in there.
Josh, shut up. Get up. Oh my
God.
god.
No. I'm gonna get a grenade one time
Stop
right now.
saying shut up.
Bro, you launched me back. That's it.
I asked so do y'all want to be launched?
I'm going to the haunted house. If you could find me, I'm right here with Monkey.
Need to come here.
Hello, anyone here?
No. Yes. I can't go in it.
I died.
No. Oh! What just happened?
Can I please have my gun back? Everybody, mute! What? Everybody mute Joe Quest 20241 because he's saying like a damn glitch.
Bro, wait, I'm going to blind you.
Who killed one?
Don't look at her.
Who had a gun?
Oh my god!
The fuck you been?
Oh my gosh! Oh, can someone kill that guy? Can someone kill that guy? He stole my gun even though he had one.
Anybody want to get free money? Does anybody want to get free money?
Me, bro.
I just want my gun back, man.
Go to spawn if you want to get free money.
Who took it?
Who took it?
The guy who was going around.
Go to spawn if you want to get free money.
Just go in the
Go to the
horror
haunted
mode
house
already.
if you want to get a key and
Oh, wait,
go
that guy
out.
up
Bro,
there?
you're cool.
Wait,
But
that guy
I
up
have
there?
two keys,
Black is so
so
cool.
it doesn't even.
Yeah.
Go to the computer if you want
There
free
he
money.
is.
Yeah.
Go to the computer if you want free money. Thank you. To the haunted
Kill him.
house. Go to the computer if you want
So
free money.
close.
That I always save. Go to the haunted house too. You need.
Why?
Just go. It's you could get some prize. You could get bro. There's something new, and you could get that. So yeah. It's actually approximately 2,000 for some so-called prize.
Shut up.
No.
But I'm going alone if no one wants to. So if you want, just go. But if no one wants, just say no.
I'm in the haunted house. I hear the fireplace.
Yeah. No, just take it.
I'm the guy that keeps saying house because I'm waiting right there. For you.
Where's that guy at?
Okay, I'm coming out.
He's about to move. I gotta find him.
Hold on, free fast fight. Never mind, I got a crowbar.
I'll go see you.
Oh yeah,
Shoot up
I
there.
got that crowbar. I don't need that.
Cyan, I can go shoot him.
Yeah,
Cyan, give me the damn thing. Where you at? Who wanted it?
I
Oh, yeah,
got see
Black,
you,
Black.
Cyan.
Give me that damn thing. Give me that damn thing. I can aim better. Where's he at?
Snippety butt.
What the fuck?
Hey, I saw
Shut
him.
the fuck up, you 5-year-old kid.
I snipped his butt.
Shut the fuck up,
He's
you
right there.
so fucking
Hey,
weird.
he's right here. He's right there. He's right on top of us.
I'm weird.
Oh, you got it.
I got his ass! I got his ass! Give me that one. Give me that one. I'll come bring your one. I'll come bring your one. No, I'll go get that one. I'll go get that one. What the? It's not here. Where is it? I don't know. Oh, yeah, grab that one. Grab that one. Found it? Yeah. Yeah. No way. I have power now. God! bend over, touch your toes.
What? What?
How do you get the dang crossbow?
Badass. Yoink.
How do you get the crossbow? How do you get the crossbow?
Hey, where's my crossbow? I died with it.
Guys, I can buy
Where's my
shotgun.
I don't know.
Oh, I have
got
a grenade.
Hey, Blue, give me back my crossbow.
Well, I bought this.
Guys, I can buy
We
shotgun.
took it.
Yeah, 5-year took it. Go get his hands up now.
Someone killed
Hands
Fire.
up now. Yo,
5-year.
bend over and
Shake
shake
his ass
it.
right now. Actually, no. I'm gonna.
Oh, that's how you get the crossbow.
I got his ass. Bro, here. Black. Here.
Yo, thank you. Thank you. Bro, how do you activate when you shoot it?
I don't know. Oh, I think I might.
You press the trigger.
Guys, boom. Guys,
Bro, give back my grenade.
if you bait. Wait.
What's your name? I can't pick it up.
Don't go.
Place it on here.
Don't go.
What the?
What do I do?
Me, I was. Blue. Here, I want you to have this. Yeah.
Stupid mimics.
That's
bro.
my grenade.
They suck.
No, you can only have that.
Oh,
Okay, dude, wait.